How to lose weight at home using JustFit app. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to lose weight at home by using the JustFit app. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use the JustFit app. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the JustFit website. So to start losing weight, the JustFit app has different kinds of videos right here that you can follow in where you can lose weight, just like this one over here, the abs architect, sleek back, yoga, and butt builder. So feel free to choose on which kind of workout you want to use. So let's say abs, click on it, and there it goes. As you can see over here, they have different kinds of workout videos right here that you can follow in your home and working out your abs. So as you can see right here, these videos have also have the amount of calories that you can burn within 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, and etc. So feel free to view all of these videos out if you want to lose weight. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to lose weight using the JustFit app. So it's really quite simple. Just simply choose the video that you want to follow, and then you can just follow that exercise or workout from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're planning to lose weight with the JustFit app. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.